For the second tutorial for Google Chrome Diigo, you're going to learn how to actually share your annotations of the text with the rest of the class in order to complete this asynchronous activity. You'll be using this tool, which now should be added on into your Google Chrome, which appears up in the right-hand corner right next to the search screen. You'll see it's a little blue and white D. It says annotate and capture the web. Yours should be there already because you just added it on using the first tutorial video. Yours might say new next to it because it might have a few videos that you can choose to watch to kind of acclimate you to Diigo. You're not required to, however, that's why mine does not say new right now. You will be using this for two texts in the course, which can be found in Module 2, the yellow wallpaper, and Module 3, a doll's house. I'm going to use Module 2, the yellow wallpaper, as an example to show you how to utilize the Diigo Chrome add-on tool for this course purposes. All readings can be found in the Module Readings folder underneath each particular module. Once you click on this particular module, you will access the short story, The Yellow Wallpaper, by clicking on this link, which will take you to Project Gutenberg. Project Gutenberg, if you're not familiar with it, is a great source to use to be able to read texts online, which is great for an online course or even for other courses that you're enrolled in, so that sometimes you don't have to purchase a book. You have it right here online if Project Gutenberg has it. Once you click on the link, it will take you to Project Gutenberg's or Gutenberg.org's site. You may have some options here where I'm pointing, mine are not there, but it may give you a few options of how you want to read it. Please click the first option, which will be the HTML option, so you can read it as a web page. Once you click on the HTML option, you will see that the short story title, The Yellow Wallpaper, appears, the author, Charlotte Perkins Gilman, and then the story unfolds. What you're going to be doing using the annotation tool with Diigo is you are going to be able to share your annotations while reading. There will be specific requirements which you can find listed in the actual forum for the text and share activity. However, what I'm looking for are your reactions to the story, your questions that you have, comments that you have while reading to really show me that you are interacting with the text. Just as if I gave you a pen and paper and asked you to highlight and annotate, you can do this on the screen as well. What you'll do is go up to access your Chrome Diigo option. When you click on it for the first time, like I said, you might have some videos that you can opt to watch or not. It will also ask you for the first time to create an account. What's great about Chrome Diigo is that you can create the account using an existing Google account. So the sign up and process is very quick and easy. After you do that, yours will look like mine, where you will see these options. You'll be using the annotate article option, so I'm going to click on that for you now. What it will do is change the way that the screen that you were just viewing looks. So you'll still see the title, The Yellow Wallpaper. You'll still see the author, Charlotte Perkins Gilman. You'll see it originally appeared on Gutenberg.org, and then you'll actually see the story. What you'll be doing is reading the story the same way you would have read it on Project Gutenberg's site. However, I'm looking for your reactions, your comments, your questions as you read. So as you read, you'll be able to pick certain points in the story or the play in Module 3 where you can add your comments using an annotation. Once you find a line or a section that really stands out to you or you'd like to comment on, you have a few things you can do. You can highlight it so you can go back to it later on. You can highlight and comment, or you can copy and paste this, which is great for when you are using quotes in your online discussions. I would recommend using the highlight and comment tool. It allows you to put your input here, which allows you to be able to share why this is important, what's going on here, or what your question is. Once you're done, you simply click save and that'll save there. So I'm just going to put, this is important because, and then of course I would be explaining my thoughts, and I will save it. You'll notice that it shows that I have a little comment, which if I just simply scroll over with my mouse, it will pop up so I can see it. Once you've gone through and you followed the requirements to add your annotations and really interact with what you're reading, you can go back up to the Chrome Diigo extension add-on and you can share this page. There will be some options in which you can share it: Twitter, Facebook, Google+, email, and an annotated link. I would like you to please use this annotated link. You'll note that it says an annotated link is a special URL provided by Diigo that allows you to share the current web page complete with highlights and sticky notes to anyone. Simply copy this link below, and then if you go back into the course, just making sure that copied. If you go back into the course, you can then go into the forum, asynchronous activity, annotate the text, and you can add your new topic, and you will be able to simply paste the link into your message. Once you paste it in, please make sure that you turn it into a hyperlink. So paste it again into this URL spot and click create link. Now you'll see it's blue and we can access that link to be able to see your annotations. You will be required to do this twice throughout the course, one with the yellow wallpaper and one with a doll's house. I'm looking forward to your annotations.